Alright guys, Jared, JM Fishing. We're out here on the little river. I actually got a really late start, so I just got to my campsite and I still need to set up camp and everything, and the sun is going away. So I need to, first things first, and more importantly, I need to throw some baits in the water and then get my tent set up, even if that means I gotta do it in the dark. So stay tuned and see if we can get us a flathead. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, here's what's for bait. We got a red horse sucker and a very small common carp. I'm gonna probably use this common carp head, or just cut him right there, and then use that sucker head and then a sucker body chunk. We're gonna throw out in this 10-foot stuff over here. Alright, those baits are out. We'll see if we can get anything tonight. I gotta get this tent set up before it gets completely black on me. Probably help if I took these sunglasses off too. That's a fish on. Just trying to get camp set up here, guys. Came up really late, so I really wanted to get rods in the water. And our first fish of the evening looks like a little channel cat. Oh, cool. Not bad. Pretty little thing. Alright guys, first fish of the evening. Just trying to get camp set up and got interrupted by this little guy. So let's let him go. There he goes. Alright guys, I have a nice pile of wood here. And, these bugs are just kind of crazy. There's my that's my kindling. I don't have any paper or anything like that, but I saw this trick on I think it was Facebook or something. It involves this this pencil sharpener here. I guess you can get shavings with this thing and use it to start a fire. I'm gonna get a big pile of these and see if I can get a fire lit. Or not. It's a loud bait runner there. Alright, back to what I was doing. Get some of this fire going so I can get these bugs away. They're really liking my headlamp. Alright, so we got our little pile of shavings that we made. I have a pile of sticks to throw on after we catch a flame, and then after those start catching, I'll throw that little pile on, and then this pile of logs. So here goes nothing. Oh boy, that was a way to get interrupted. It feels pretty good. Is this even a fish? It's not. It's a stupid turtle. What are you doing? I thought that's what's been plaguing my baits. Oh, he's hooked in the paw. That's great. This is the worst place to hook those things, in the paw. Now he's got full control of his head. Get rid of this thing. Well, I got the fire going. Cheated a little bit, but it's going. Just in time too, the coyotes are starting to yipping. They don't sound too far off either, but I ain't really worried about coyotes out here. They're sounding pretty close. They sound like they're across the river though. So we get coming out here in nature. Gotta deal with the wildlife. But I'm sure they'll stay way far away from us. And if they don't, we got something for them. Alright. Made us a little log cabin here. I have this really long piece I'm gonna cut in half. And yeah, probably won't get it any bigger than that. Just one night, and I'm just one guy, so there's no need for it to be huge and waste all the wood. But we're fishing. We just got that one turtle and that channel cat so far. Pretty much all settled in now, so I'm gonna check baits and throw some fresh bait out and see what we can do. Just relax. Might even break the iron skillet out and cook some brats. All right, just to update, we've caught 2 turtles and a channel cat. So that's kind of where we're at. I grabbed this old grilled grate out of an old grill and just kind of propped it on over the coals and threw some brats on. So I'm getting kind of hungry. So, yep, no big fish yet, but we'll see if we can get some. I do believe this is a fish. Just got supper done. Oh yeah, it's a fish of some kind. Channel rat. Yep. Oh geez, fish. Calm her down. Cool. Oh man, he's a very frisky cat. Second fish of the night, guys. The little average. Seems to be the average size of these channel cats in this river. Yes, I'm wearing gloves because I'm about to eat and I don't feel like getting my hands dirty, so oh well. Alright, we'll let him go. See if this other rod goes off. Going the wrong way, bud. There he goes. All right. Taking a tip from old Spencer from Channel River Certified. I'm gonna try these brats with some tortillas. I got Clover Valley spicy mustard and some sweet relish to go with them. All right, let's just dig into this. See how this goes. You know what? I can vibe with that. That ain't too bad. One of them got some extra seasoning from the sandbar there. A little extra crunch. All right, I'm gonna enjoy me my last little brat here and my water. Got a nice little setup going on here. Enjoy the fire and wait for one of these rods to go off. Ain't bad with the tortilla. What is this? What do I have here? Oh, another channel cat. Cool. At least it's not a turtle. We're 3 for 3, guys. Got 3 turtles and 3 channel cats. Cool. All right, I'm gonna let this guy go. Huh, cool. Don't know if there's a flathead in this hole, but there's definitely some fish in here. I've not lost hope yet. Good morning. 3 channels and 3 turtles last night. It's pretty a lot of gar bites. It's all right. We're gonna stoke this fire and try to cook us some breakfast. Probably throw some cut bait out too. See if we can get us an early riser. Stay tuned, guys. All right. Well, we got that taken care of. We're gonna let that stoke up, and I think I have a can of corned beef hash and the rest of those cheddar bacon brats, and that'll be our breakfast. Next step would be I guess throw a couple baits out. Why not, right? We're here. There's a 10-foot hole back there, so might as well throw some baits out while we're here, I guess. While we're at it, you know. Something about getting woke up by the birds in the morning puts everything into perspective for a guy. Let's ring the dinner bell for the gar and turtles, shall we? The sun is coming. We gotta get camp broke down before it goes nuclear on us. It's probably gonna be 90 something today, and it's gonna come quick. 90 degrees will be here before you know it, and I'm on an open sandbar. So I'm gonna get camp broke down here, and we're gonna head back down to our next spot. Fish for a little bit and then call it a trip. What is this? Those gar went silent on this bait for a while, and then it picked up again. I reeled down on it and it connected. Oh, look at that. That's not a gar. That's a channel cat. Cool. That thing. Look at you. Oh man, that used to be a huge gar head. That is all the suction cup is all that's left. Huh. You're pretty close to the bank, bud. You were very close to the bank. You're fat too. Oof. Nice fish. Got one for the road. We got one for the morning sun. That is cool. All right. All right, bucko. There he goes. That's a nice way to start the morning. I don't think I'm gonna do the corned beef hash. I'm just gonna call it good with those 3 brats. Breakfast of champions, right? Cheddar brat, tortilla with a little bit of sweet relish and some spicy brown. That's breakfast of champions. We just gotta put a couple more things away and we're gonna get heading down river. Stay tuned for that. I don't know if the guard's just holding on to this or if this is an actual catfish. Looks like we got a catfish of some kind. Watch it be neither. Wait a tick. No, it's a... I saw a whisker, I think. Come here, fish. Yep. It's got a whiskers. He's a little guy. Wow. I don't know how he got that hook in his mouth. He sure did though. Yeah, we can just boat flip him. Skinny little thing. He's a skinny little thing. Oh, that ain't where I wanted it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no, what have we here? Oh boy. Oh, don't tell me you just let it go. That was a big fish. Man, a stupid gar. That was a good one. That was probably a flathead. That makes me sad. You make me sad, fish. There's definitely one back there. Dadgummit. He was pulling drag out of the rod holder, man. That was a good fish. Crab. That was a gooder, and that's what that was. I'm just gonna have to anchor up here in the evening, one evening. Try to get him again. Yeah, that was a good fish. That was a really good fish. 5 more minutes, and I'm gonna have to go to a different spot because that one kind of made me salty a little bit. Oh man. Oh well. That was quick. I kind of figured it'd be one in that root wad. It's not too bad. It's another channel cat. Cool. Don't you throw that bait off. Holy cow, that thing got you, buddy. This is more than likely going to be the last fish of the trip. It's a channel. Surprise, surprise. We missed that really big takedown earlier this morning. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about that except for we missed him. But this would be number 6 channel for the trip, so cool. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and let him go. See if there's another fish hanging out in there. Getting those baits up close and personal to that root wad. All this current is gonna create a pocket underneath that root wad that they're gonna sit behind and wait for bait to come to them, wait for food to come to them. All right guys, that indeed was our last fish of this trip. It's 10 o'clock now and the temperature's pushing 90 degrees, so I'm gonna get out of here before I get burnt to a crisp. If you guys stuck out this long, thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below if you guys are fishing at night and catching fish, because I've recently switched to fishing at night and it seems to be working out for me. I think these fish are spawning. They're definitely switched to like an evening night bite, and there does seem to be an increase in activity in the morning too. So, but if you guys stuck out this long, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.